Good morning, everyone. Welcome to AI Minute Mondays, where I take a couple of minutes each Monday to demystify AI for everyone. This week in AI Minutes, I have my former colleague and principal PM, Rosanna, join me on the show. Rosanna is also part of the Fast Track Engineering leadership team. So, Rosanna, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. Thanks for having me, Suchi. It's great to be here. As you mentioned, my name is Rosanna Gracki. I'm a principal within our M365 Fast Track Engineering team, where I currently lead efforts to drive scale adoption of our AI and Copilot solutions, both internally across our org, as well as in our customer and partner facing experiences.
Thank you, Rosanna, for that information. So, we have collaborated on several exciting AI projects, everything from building intelligent agents to creating a platform that tracks and monitors AI initiatives across the org. So, given your unique perspective as a PM stepping into the agent building world, I'd love to hear what was it like crafting your first AI agent? What surprised you, and how did you navigate the journey from build to deploy?
Sure. Well, first off, a caveat that I am not a software developer by any means, and quite frankly, haven't written a line of code in decades. So having tools such as M365 Copilot and Copilot Studio is perfect for citizen developers like me. Truly, if I can do it, anyone can do it. So, in terms of my approach to create my first simple retrieval agent, it was really as easy as 1, 2, 3 with Copilot. So, within M365 Copilot, you create the agent by first describing in natural language what you would like the agent to do. So, in my case, I wanted to develop a very simple team onboarding coach to enable our new hires to get ramped up onto our team very quickly. So I described in the M365 Copilot template what I would like the agent to do, gave it some basic instructions and guidelines as to the tone and how I wanted the agent to engage with users. Third, most importantly, finding the right grounding knowledge sources that the agent can use to generate the appropriate responses. So in my case, there were a number of internal websites, SharePoint sites, specific reference files from HR and onboarding that we pulled in, as well as a repository of our ADO or Azure DevOps. So you'll have the opportunity to define some of those grounding sources so that it limits the scope of the agent. Next, you define the suggested prompts, which essentially are the business use cases for your agent. So in the case of the onboarding agent, we wanted to ensure that it talked about the team structure, the work that we do, our team culture, maybe some of our OKRs and priorities, as well as being able to develop a more personalized plan to help our users on their first day, their first week, or their first month. So think about how you would like to interact and what type of information you would like to get out of the agent. And last but not least, is that there's a create button. You do some testing to make sure that the expected outcome is being generated, the expected responses, the expected tone, and you just go through a couple of iterations. And once you are satisfied that this is the output you expected, you share it with the team. So very simple 5-step process. Really, again, if I can do it, anyone can do it.
Thank you, Rosanna, for sharing your AI journey. And as always, it's a great pleasure talking to you. To summarize the key takeaways for the audience, the first is everyone can and should build agents. Second is when you understand the business use case and you know what are the actual data points that your agent needs to connect to, you're able to better solve the business problem and build a more effective agent. Third is always ensure you have a set of starting prompts for your end user so that they can use your agent in a better manner. Lastly, test, and retest for better adoption of AI agents. We need those agents to respond accurately. So thank you so much, and I hope others get inspired by your journey, Rosanna, and they go ahead with building more AI agents on their own. Thank you for sharing this on AI Minute Mondays, and that's all today, folks. Bye.
It's my pleasure. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.